Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here we have the equation. So root of x the power x, which is equals to 4 the root of square root of 2 over 2. So let's define the value of x, the value of x. So this can be written as root x the power of x, which is equals to this one is 4 the root of, so this one is 2 the power of 1 over 2. So you know that a over a is the power of n, b is the power of m. I mean a is the power of m can be written as a the power of n minus m, So using this identity, square root of x the power of x, which is equals to 4 root of 2 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So this square root of x the power of x, which is equals 4 the root of minus 1 over 2 to the power of minus 1 over 2. So this one is root x, you know, any number root a can be written as a 1 over 2. So 1 over 2. So that this can be written as to the power of minus 1 over 2, the power of 1 over 4. So this one is this can be also x 1 over 2 x, which is equals to the power of minus this one is times 1 over 8. So let's squaring both sides. X the power of 1 over 2 x square y 1 over 8 square. So let's cancel by this. We have x raised x, which is equals to by 2 1 by 2 4 2 raised 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So here is x 2. There are the left and the right hand sides are different. So you know that the isomorphism. So isomorphism means to construct the same form in the left and right hand sides. So let's do split minus 1 over minus 1 over 4. So we can write it x the power of, you know, this x the power of x the power of x the power of x, which is equals to, this means 1 over 2 the power of 1 over 4. So we can split 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 can be written as 4 times 1 over 16, or 3 times 1 over 12. 3 times 1 over 12. Or 2 times 1 over 8. So the best one that will fit for our expression is the first one. So x the power of x, which is equals to 1 over 2. This one means 4 times 1 over 16. So this one, x the power of x, we can bring it squaring 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 raised to 4 times 1 over 16. So x the power of x, which is equals to, this one is 1 over 2 raised to 4. The power 1 over 16. So this one is x raised x, which is equals to, this one 2 raised to 4 is 16. The power 1 over 16. Now we construct the same power. So we can equate x. Here we have x, we have 1 over 16. Here we have x, we have 1 over 16. So we can say x which is equals to 1 over 16. This is the correct solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.